What's up, dudes? Holdfast here, and today we're going through a little bit of a Minecraft 1.3 preview. Just going to show off some of the new settings, some of the new blocks, some of the new stuff, specifically towards creative mode and adventure mode. I'm sure you guys have seen a whole get on my face, a whole load of not adventure, survival mode stuff. And if you haven't, go check out some of my older videos, and you can see a whole bunch of stuff, including the Minecraft 1.3 ad contest. So let's get right into it. For creative mode, of course, we have the biggest change, which is the inventory system, which I can show off here. Pretty simple. Got all your blocks lined up. Obviously, biggest change is some of the new blocks are in here. You got your nether brick stairs and some sandstone stairs and some other stairs, and a block of emerald ore and a block of emerald. So that's the biggest change. It's nice and organized now. You have your decoration blocks, redstone blocks, transportation, miscellaneous, which has a bunch of cool stuff. Down here you have foodstuffs, tools, then you have combat, and we have brewing, which is very handy because this wasn't in the last one. You couldn't open up your creative inventory and get all of these little goodies, which is nice that you have your hand at these now. And fermented spider, I don't think you get that before. What else we got? We have I guess just materials, so just random stuff, emeralds and all sorts of goodies in there, which is very handy if you're doing anything in creative. And as well, you have a survival inventory. So you see my little holdfast guy right there. And this is nice because before the only way to see your inventory was to basically click on a inventory, or click on a workbench, or my phone just went off, or a chest or something like that. That's the only way you could see your inventory. So now you can actually see it and equip stuff. So if I bring this down here, you'll see boof, which is nice. It shows up quite quickly. And a new feature is actually shift clicking now works with armor. Boof. Or actually not in creative, sorry. When you're in creative mode, shift clicking actually, when you're in this menu, shift clicking just gets rid of the item. So it's another new feature that you can just delete an item like that, or in the search menu, I think. Oh, okay, they just changed that. It used to be over here. Now you can click that and get rid of it. I think that's it for the inventory. Other than the search, this is quite handy. Let's go ore. So now you can see all of your ores listed there. So if you can't think of what you want, redstone something, there you go, or red rose or red wool, and there you go. So that's super duper handy, which is quite nice. Let's bring a couple of these down here, just because. I'll show you that in a second. So another thing in creative, obviously this is not new, but flying through water doesn't slow you down anymore. So that was actually me flying through water instead of just getting stuck in it. Yeah, that's me getting stuck in it. Anyways, look at that. Look at that. Whoa. Is this not just blowing your mind? Boof, 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 boof. Boof. Look at that. Isn't that crazy? So you can do sideways trees, or just a little different, little fancy something. I don't know what, but I think that looks pretty cool when you can do it. So now these are placed just like pistons are placed. So the way you click it is the way it goes. So if I click down like this, it'll go towards me. Click down, obviously towards me. If I click click there, it'll go that way. If I click there, it'll go that way. Obviously, it's all the same. Upwards, and etc., etc. Pretty cool stuff. And obviously, that's the same with all the wood, which is quite nice. That they all kind of work the same now. Very handy. Yeah, I like that a lot. Better for designing and stuff like that. Another new feature. I'm actually in single player. I'm not on a server, but if I press T. Actually, what I'm going to do for you guys quickly, oh, I didn't want to do that, did I? No, I want, what do I want? Video settings, sorry guys. This one. Whoa! No, let's go large so you guys can actually see. Okay, so if I hit T, a chat menu comes up, which would only work before if you're in multiplayer. So now I can hit /help and you can see a whole list of fancy little things. So you can see default game mode. Game mode, you can change the game mode for you, or if you're in a LAN party, you can change it from different players. You can give players stuff. You can help with different pages. /kill. Let's go /help 2. You can see publish, which if you do publish, it will publish local game hosted on 192.168, which is my local IP address here. So if you were on my internet here in my house, you would be able to connect to that, which is quite handy for opening up LAN parties if you guys want to just hang out together and play together. Time, which is always good, especially in single player. You can now TP, and you can now teleport to coordinates, which is really sweet. So you can teleport to people or to coordinates, which is really handy. So you can see TP. Let's go over here. TP target player. So I type in hold fast 33. Type in your X coordinates, your Y coordinates, and your Z coordinates, and then you'll just be sent there. It's crazy. XP, and yeah, another cool feature about the chat is if I type slash and then hit tab, it will bring up all the different options that I have. So if you don't want to hit help, you can just hit tab and keep tabbing through all of the different options that you have. Or again, you can hit that question mark and it'll bring up the same things, which is of course always handy dandy, which is nice. Some other new features is the options menu here that we have. Achievements, I believe, are exactly the same. They haven't really changed that yet. What else we got? Stats, exactly the same. This open to LAN. Now you can. I'm already open, so let's go slash. I wonder if I can close it. No, I can't close it. That's weird. Open to LAN just does the same thing as /publish. And then we click on options, and I don't know what else we have in here. Oh, snooper options, which you don't really need. That's just kind of computer options and stuff like that. Chat settings, which is new, obviously, because we didn't have the chat before, so you can show chat commands only, hidden, shown. Colors on, off. Web links, you can either have links that you can click on or not. You can change the opacity, which is really nice. Prompt on links on. Other than that, let's see. Got a few different graphic things. Graphics fast, because I'm not using Optifine right now. You got your, I think everything's basically the same. Cloud server textures on or off. That's basically it. I think there might be one more thing that's coming, or coming in the next update. I'm not sure exactly. I think that's it for the menu. What else do we have in Creative? We also have, oops, if I type in /game mode 2, will actually put me in adventure mode now. Adventure mode is going to be, it's not really anything yet. You can't really do much of anything in it yet. But once, you know, all the mods get their hands on it and everything, you're going to be able to do a lot of cool stuff with adventure maps, because right now in adventure mode you cannot, like I can't go to any inventory stuff, like in creative mode. Can't break any blocks at all. Doesn't matter what you have in your hand, you cannot break anything. And I cannot place anything. As you can see, I'm trying to place wood, it's not working. So that'll be very handy. See, I can do that in survival mode. If I go back here and go one, again I'm in creative now, so that'll be very handy for mods and map makers in the future. Hopefully it'll be pretty cool. Next up we had something. What do we have? Oh, this is very cool. Most mice, your handheld mice on that's under your hand right now probably, have a third button, or basically a scroll wheel. Works the same. You can now use that third button, whatever is mapped to be your third button, to select different items that you see on the screen if you're in creative mode. So say I want to build with this, but I don't feel like going in here and, you know, go like that. I'm too lazy to do that. So I just click that and it's there. Just like that, just like magic. It's really cool. I can now middle click all these things and it right away will bring it into my inventory. everything. Seeds, grass, gravel. What else? What else we got? I don't... Actually, this is really cool. Watch this. Villager, boof. Villager egg. Villager. That's really cool. You want a sheep? Boof. You got a sheep right there. You want a torch? Got a torch. So that is very cool. If you're doing something really fast and say you're trying to build a big structure with a whole bunch of different materials, and it's you don't have room, I guess maybe enough room in your inventory to carry them all, so you place some wood and then you don't need the wood anymore, so you get rid of it, but you need to replace it with something else, carry on and come back, boof, you have wood, continue on, boof, you got that, boof, you got that. So you want some pigs, let's get some pigs. It's very handy for creating anything large. Boof, pig, look at that, done. Very nice for basically duplicating a lot of stuff. Very handy. I like that a lot. What else do we have in creative mode? There might be a whole bunch more stuff. Not sure what else I can talk about other than, you know, all the just different block changes and things like that. There's a lot of survival mode stuff, like creepers doing more damage and just more survival stuff, which you can see in my other video, the Minecraft ad, or you can see, actually I want to test something. Can I get lava from this third button click? Boop. Oh, no, it just skips the lava. Yep, cannot get lava. I cannot get lava and I cannot get water. Nope, no water. So, I guess transparent blocks you cannot get. Just interesting. Yeah, that's cool. So yeah, there's a bunch more little half slab stuff that you can see in my previous video the other day, the Minecraft ad video, and you can also just check out the description below. I'll paste a link to the full the whole update list. So whatever's coming up in the newest update, which should be out any day now. Chicken. So I'll paste a link to for you guys to check out the whole list if you want to check it out. It's a big list, so lots of cool changes, lots of cool stuff coming, and lots of opportunity for new stuff, which is really cool. So guys, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, leave a like, comment below what's your favorite change that's coming in 1.3, or what are you looking forward to in 1.3. I personally love this creative stuff. I do enjoy my creative mode, which is always, I just love creative because you can just do endless stuff, but I also love survival, so it's just so well organized. That's the best part. Actually, this is kind of interesting. No more lag on pistons. Boop, 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 boop. There you go. No more lag. There's a few other things where you can place redstone torches different places and things like that. I think that'll do it, guys. Like I said, leave a like, comment. What's your favorite change? And what are you looking forward to most? And guys, I will see you later.